Hello everyone, we welcome all of you to Courovale Virtual Leather presentation for Summer-Spring 2022. I am Bruna Ferrari and I work as Commercial Assistant for Courovale Tannery. I will always be at your disposal to help you and do my best for our business. Hope you enjoy, and to explain more about our collection, I also invite Veronica.
Hi everybody, I'm Veronica Moirer, Commercial Manager and also in charge of research and new developments. We will show you a little bit about our creative process.
This is Courovale. We are always learning and improving to offer to our customers the more innovative articles. So stay with us and see what we prepare for summer collection.
Our main focus is on embossed articles and their beauty and elegance. Let's take a look at how they are produced and the steps involved. I will start showing you our color card that is full of trendy shades for this new season. Our option was do the colors on a big size 3C emboss. It is a plate we have introduced on our collection the past winter and it became one of the more desired ones. The finishing gives evidence to the 3D effect the emboss has, trying to reproduce a real braided looking. At the first group of colors, we present these 5 soft shades that are pastel tones. The second group are tones that remind the earth and organic things. We have a yellow, an olive green, a dark green, a roasted yellow, and a hazelnut. The third group is very cheerful group with orange and pink tones. The last group has some cool colors with gray, violet, and evidence to the shades of blue and forest green.
All the other articles that we will be showing can be developed in these 20 colors and also customized on clients' color cards. Here we will see some articles that we develop with a funnier looking that play with different color combinations. Most of these articles we also develop with different color combos. So to check, we can ask for pictures or swatches.
To start, we did an article that was originally created by hand and then transformed on a digital print. Let's check how this process is made. This article has a lizard emboss with a geometrical print. Here is a croco emboss that has an effect that seems a color spilling and a patent finishing. Has a very soft hand feel. Here we have a snake emboss. It's made over a chrome-free crust and has plants digital printing, mixing colors, making it get a funny looking. It also has some light points that we can see coming throughout. We also have a rereading of a classic leopard print, but here it's on a patent finishing with a glitter effect.
The next article is a croco emboss with a mimetic effect that has a camo print under, giving an interesting and new effect to the croco emboss. For this more funny group, we also did a snake emboss and print, but doing some color combination for a spotted look. This is one more article where we play with colors. It's a croco emboss with a tie-dye print under. The finish is made to highlight the scale and it's the 3D effect. The flowers are under spotlight. Most of the articles that we will see here are made with digital print that add natural elements to the materials.
Let's check how is this process. This article has a snake emboss along with a floral emboss. We did 8 different colors, so it's possible to check how they turn out on such a finishing. asked us to see more. This one has a delicate flower printing, mixing an emboss that reproduces a fabric. This other emboss is presented on a notebook finishing, and it's a deep emboss, so it gives a nice relief. Here, it's the same emboss using on this article, but here we have a foil application.
Another idea, with emboss that reminds denim with a floral print, but here with different shades of the same color. This floral print is on a Napa base, and one of the most important characteristics is the soft hand feel. We have also this embossed floral with a nubuck hand feel with a buffing effect on the top. This article is over chrome-free split suede. The very light base makes the color turn out with a fresh looking and add a micro texture to make it unique.
The next sequence of articles we will show are the ones that emphasize the metallic finishing.
Let's check how this process is made.
The first idea is a small rough emboss with a very soft hand feel on a notebook finishing. At this other article, we mixed a snake emboss and a stingray emboss, doing this unusual combination. This color, it's like an hologram. After, we have a machine-cut snake, showing the scales movement and in different metallic shades, including some holographic. For the scales we see on this snake, we have different tools that allows us to make different size cut. Get in touch to see the other options.
This article is on a croco emboss. It's actually a new plate that have very deep emboss, and we did it some metallic and also holographic colors. The next article is a croco emboss with a more daring finishing, and we did it a spotted handmade finishing. One more braided emboss. This article is on a brand new plate. It's smaller than the emboss we showed at the article of the color card. It's suitable for shoes. Here, a mix of tricé and saffiano, along with foil metallic, soft and nubuck hand feel. It's important to say that we have a foil color card with more than 30 colors, and you can ask for it. The next group of articles are focused on a fashion idea but without a big mix of colors, are more neutral finishings.
Some of these articles have a hand tipping, and we will show you how this process works. Firstly, we have a crocodile, all made on a chrome-free leather, making this evident also at the finishing, because all colors leave the chrome-free color appear at the top, and we made a hand typing with the season colors. After, a nubuck leather with a poa pattern application. Here, an emboss that reminds a tree bark. Here we use again the trendy tricé emboss, but combined with a snake emboss. We have another croco emboss. It's a regular emboss that permits a large usage for cutting, and it's one of our best sellers.
It is the big tricé, but we add a chest effect to emphasize the 3D effect of this embossing plate. On this croco, we used a big embossing plate as well, on a chrome-free base. The finishing is all made by hand, giving a unique characteristic to each skin. This is a big croco, suitable for handbags due to the size. We did a two-tone effect finishing with a soft hand feel. This article on a nubuck croco emboss that cuts the leather so we can do a soft hand feel without losing the emboss. Here we can see one more 3C emboss we have. It gives a deep emboss with a pronounced 3D effect.
The last group of articles shows many materials using snakes as an inspiration. They are all made with digital printing. This first snake has a discrete artwork under, but at the same time has light spots that end up highlighting the beauty of the article. Other option is an article with a coral snake art. We have the classic combo with red, white and black, but we did some unexpected colors too. It's important to say that all these snakes we did on a chrome-free base. One more time we played with some light spots inside the snake emboss. The snake artwork is more evident compared to another article we showed before. An artwork with a soft color mixing that gives an elegant aspect. The reverse emboss that gives evidence to the scales movement.
This print, a classic pattern in some awesome shades. Mint, old rosé, with a lot of scales movement. A classic print and a good cuttable area. A different print to renew the snakes. A classic print with a colored effect. And another classic print full of rich details. We are reaching the end of our virtual leather presentation. Thanks for being with us.
We thank you in name of Courovale team. If you need further information or swatches, get in touch with us. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.